Hi, I'm Adrian from Saliba Ag, and we're the distributor for Lipa mulchers throughout Australia. This is the TLE-FS 90, which is the forestry small and 900mm wide cutting width. It is suitable for excavators from 4 tonne up to 8. It's also available in a 700 wide. It's fitted with the tungsten carbide bits, which you can rotate 3 times. It is run with it has a hydraulic door. This machine had double pipes, but we can fit a solenoid valve if you only have one set of pipes, and it's ran with a piston motor. They're built in Italy, very good quality. It's made from a Hardox equivalent material, and they use Japanese bearings. It's a very good piece of machinery. Thanks for watching. Lipa also builds mulchers for larger excavators and flower mulchers for excavators, skid steers and tractors too. If you have any other inquiries or want to know more information about Lipa mulchers, please contact our sales team.